welcome back. My kiddo is working on school behind me, so you know, getting that grind on. We are unboxing our P.Louise box. This is for August. I've had it for close to a week, and I probably won't get this video up to y'all until the week that I'm gone out of town for the Creators and Friends event. But I still wanted to have content going up for y'all on all of my channels minus Hotmess in the house. So sorry about that. But check out Hotmess Momma vlogs. I have got a Temu haul going up, fashion haul, a Temu haul, a Walmart haul, a Shein haul. There's a lot of hauls going on, okay? So anyways, shout out to the OFRA Cosmetics mystery box. I don't know if you guys picked this up. It's $43.20 if you use code HOTMESS. It's a freaking heck of a steal of a deal, and highly recommend. I will link that video down below for you guys to check out, because I told you all when I unboxed this, I was so shocked that I think this is like my, I don't know, top 2 favorite mystery boxes that they have had. And then also Built Bar sent over their brand new Built Bars. These are the puffs in salted caramel. Not only are they protein packed, but collagen packed as well. Code HOTMESS. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into this. Now this is the P.Louise box. It's a monthly box, but because it comes over from, I think, the UK, it is always a month behind that I've learned from you guys. So shout out to Tina for letting your girl know. I love the box. Can we just look at that beautiness? So flippin' pretty. I am so bad. I got this beautiful palette last month from them, and I still haven't tried it out yet. I plan to. It's really pretty. Your girl's just been really busy. Now this is a monthly subscription. I do pay for this myself, and I think after the crossing over the ocean or something fee, I think it's like $53. So let's open her together. Oh, what is this? P.Louise After Dark. This is heavy. It's a bedtime babe. What? Do not disturb my self-care era. Okay, so I've been, honestly, the first box I was not totally excited for, but they made up for it last month. So this is my third one. So this is a Pillow Soft Skin Do Not Disturb My Self-Care Era. It's a what is it? Nourishing Toner. Okay. And then next in here we've got, okay, so it's a facial cleanser soaking with a cotton pad. Follow up with the Midnight Miracle Serum, taken 3 to 4 drops or more if desired. And then we have 2 pumps of the primer serum. Oh, okay, so it's like a whole nighttime facial doohickey. So we got the toner, the serums, and everything. So, okay. Not really excited over that, to be 100 with you guys, but I've never tried P.Louise's skincare. So next in here, what is that? I love how everything is pink. I just think that's so cute. Lipstick palette. Ooh. Looks like a deck of cards would be in here or something. It's like a tin. Okay. How do you open this? Are you laughing at me? I don't know how to open it. Oh, you push it. Oh, look at that. I'm assuming that's wax, right? Yeah, that's not mold, guys. Which I know someone's like, Rhonda, that's mold. It's not, I promise. You can tell it's like the wax. That is like really pretty. How do you get this side off? I just dug my whole mother trucking finger in there. I gotta touch it. Yeah, that's not mold, guys. I just touched it. Wait, is it? I almost feel like putting it under a microscope. I think it's just like the mica or something. Or like the Ols. I don't feel like this is a Jaclyn Hill saga drama. I think it's okay. Because it has like a sheen shimmer to it. So I think it's just some sort of shimmer. It's not fuzzy. Alright? It's fuzzy. So that's good. Let me clean this off. Anyways, I think they're pretty and they're nice and soft. And then last I've got this. Take Me Away. Take me away. Shut up. It's a whole lip. Oh. Wow, girl, you were just on it today. How in the heck? It's like the whole lip pencil set, which is awesome because it totally goes with, I'm not kidding. Okay, let's see here. I've never tried these either. Are they good? Okay, I mean, they're not a gel formula. I mean, I don't even know if there's a color I will be wearing. I'm sure I can mix it and find the shade that I like. Okay, so here's at least 3 that I swatched. Ignore the colors. The colors did not come from that. Only these 3 right here. So they seem very nice and pigmented. We shall see. I'm hoping there's at least some sort of like nudie color in here because you guys know me, basic AF. So that is everything in my P.Louise box. I really wish there was like blush. Why? I don't know. I just created a blush palette with OFRA, but still, I like blush. Like a liquid blush is kind of what I was hoping to see. So that's a bummer. I don't think it was horrible, but definitely last month was definitely my favorite. Oh, sorry guys, hit that. I did get some PR from Gerard Cosmetics, Benefit Cosmetics, and then I did pick some stuff up from Colourpop. So let me unbox what I bought from Colourpop. They had just launched, and I know you guys are going to be like shocked when you see the palette. The Welcome Foolish palette. I don't even know if it goes with something. Oh, it's the Haunted Mansion. And the colors just looked really pretty to me. They're kind of like cool tone colors for sure, and I really liked it, so I went ahead and got it. So while I was getting ready to check out, they were like, hey, do you want to purchase, I forget how much it was, like maybe it was like 20 bucks or something. You want to purchase like a mystery bundle and we'll guarantee you 3 of our 9-pan shadows that we pick. And I was like, yeah, sure, why not, you know? I mean, I'm not on their PR list, so I don't get this stuff, but I really like their formula. So I was like, yeah, okay. So I got this for $42. Well, all of these. I did not need them, but I wanted them. So they sent the Cloud Spun, the Orange You Glad, and the Going Coconuts, which I think this one is like viral right now over on TikTok. But I like their formula. It does have typically a lot of kick up, but their formula is really good. Oh, that's pretty. That is like right up my alley. I love that a lot. I will link all of these too if you guys are interested in picking them up. Like I said, Colourpop is really inexpensive and they have a pretty decent formula for sure. And then here is Orangey Glad. Oh yeah, I'll be gifting that. No, absolutely not. That's scary. Okay, let's see what this one is. My battery is now flashing at me. Ooh, it's pinky. Probably. I don't know. But definitely I could see me using some of the shades here and in the coconut one. So anyways, that's my little Colourpop haul. Then Benefit Cosmetics sent over, I think this is like their Benabrow stuff. I was super excited to get this. It'll be linked in my TikTok shop as well. It's the Little Loves Brow set that you can pick up. So I'm going to test that out. And then Gerard Cosmetics just came out with a lavender setting powder. And I'm excited to try that one out as well. Look how cute this is, the little PR kit. So thank you to Gerard Cosmetics for thinking of your girl and to Benefit Cosmetics. So it's a soft lavender colored powder and then a purple little puff. So I will have this link down below. I think my coupon code HOTMESS will save you 20% at Gerard Cosmetics. So I will definitely keep you posted on this. It's a soft focus, no filter lavender setting powder. So stay tuned. I'll be testing that out. So I will have everything linked and listed down below. There is no like affiliate code or nothing like that when it, or referral code when it comes to P.Louise. It's just a go sign up kind of thing. But everything else I'll link down below for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to hop off. My battery is about to go. So until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye. I was getting nervous. I'm now sweating because that doggone battery. Oh, and don't forget to check out the OFRA Cosmetics mystery box. Oh, amazing. Okay,